My name is Michael Boston. This is my final presentation for CST 460. For this project, we need to design a service-oriented systems integration solution for a mock systems integration problem. We also needed to analyze the design of the integration solution and examine service components, applications/systems, and the interactions between them. Finally, we needed to craft a detailed solution and discuss the assumptions and design decisions made. My design for an online games retailer web service is based on Steam, the preeminent online retailer of games and related software. We start by identifying the core applications and systems supported by the architecture. Service-oriented integration architecture. In this example, our four applications, the storefront, games library, community hub, and social platform, are supported by a shared pool of resources or service components. The applications and systems for this architecture include the games library, which contains information about purchased content and serves as an interface for downloading content. The storefront, which acts as an interface for purchasing games and software from different developers. The community hub, that contains an interactive games forum and a workshop for sharing and playing user-created content for games. And the social platform, which allows players to connect and share in-game achievements. The most important service components include the store catalog, user information database, billing/accounting service, user library, community hub resources, and social resources. Service components can be either atomic or composite, based on how complex the service is. Various applications and resources come together to form core system interactions, like update library on purchase. This interaction takes place between the storefront and the games library. It needs to be updated to reflect the newly purchased game files. Update social platform, which adds to the data contained within the social platform system, and the recommendation system. The storefront, games library, and community hub contribute data about games that the user might be interested in based on their usage data and the games they search up. Additionally, the social platform adds suggestions based on what their friends are playing. Community hub content. User libraries need to be updated to contain the files from the workshop section of the community hub. Reviews from the community hub are referenced on the storefront page of each game. Populate social information. Information from the social platform needs to be used by several applications. The storefront and the games library notify users when their friends own the same game. In order to approach the integration task presented, I needed to make certain assumptions about the service components, the applications, and the system itself. Firstly, the design solution fails to take into account the resources required by the website to run in the first place. Additionally, some security measures like user credentials and the method of user authentication is not covered. There are many less essential service components that are not present in the interactions between applications, but contribute significantly to the functions of one or more apps. Finally, the essential functions of the website are the crux of the integration schema, which is why they are centered in the integration architecture plan that was presented. Many of the more technical design decisions were made as a result of a need for basic functionality, and the method they were designed to be implemented in is rudimentary.